What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another video. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Right now I'm on my way to Mitch's. I got my stuff all packed, computer and all that packed up so I can edit when I'm there. Today we're gonna finish up sanding and painting. He sent me a picture of all these scratches and stuff on the paint, so I'll show you guys when we get there. We're gonna go over to the shop and we're gonna get this all sanded and all ready and prepped. So we got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna head off right now. I think Austin said he was gonna join us too. So guys, I'll see you when we get there. Hey, trying to scare you.
Yeah.
They're trying to sneak up on you.
This thing's already scary now.
Yeah?
I got the heat going.
Yeah. Welcome to the shop. Holy crap. Was he sanding in here? Oh yeah, he was. Oh yeah, there is a lot of scratches in places. We gotta get those scratches out. Austin's here. And what did you just buy?
Oh shit.
Shit.
Put the spray kit.
Yeah, that's actually awesome.
$3.
Wow.
At Michael's.
That's actually really cool.
I bought 2 of them.
That's
so we
perfect.
can do both at the same time.
That's just great, dude.
This is great.
Mitch needed that jack, so we put it on. Oh my god. He put this on paint cans, dude. They're like bending. I would not stand by that. This whole thing's just gonna like that.
Oh yeah, that's a bad idea.
Yeah, that's a real bad idea. Like a monkey.
I can't stand this guy.
He's just crawling in there. All right, right now I'm actually looking for some like a little bit of a higher grit sandpaper. Then I'm gonna try doing Mitch a favor and sanding all of this and getting all the scratches out for him. That's exactly what he's doing on the hood. And then we could probably paint this after he gets all that done.
Yeah, we need to go.
Good luck.
We're
gonna need propane.
We're gonna use one to literally crank it in here, so I can
We're gonna need. It's gonna cost a lot. So we're gonna have to go get propane. We're gonna have to go to Harbor Freight for more sandpaper. You said maybe even a respirator. That'd be smart.
Even just paper ones.
Honestly, yeah. Anything is better than nothing right now. So we're gonna have to go run around. Right now, I just sanded all of this and tried moving up in grit and trying to get.
I'm not trying to burst your bubble.
No, you're fine.
But it's cracking because it's not warm in here.
I know that. Yeah. Yeah, I knew it wasn't gonna stick or anything. It's freezing in here. All right, we're gonna go run to Harbor Freight, right? Yeah. Okay. You haven't done that in a long time.
Yeah, as soon as I
Holy
said that,
fuck.
the fucking dog went.
It's funny as hell. Austin is cleaning out his car real fast so we could all run to Harbor Freight, grab some sanding paper and a shit ton of propane. Yeah, we need we need 2 tanks. All right, we're taking those tanks back. Can we walk? No, I don't think we can walk in with those. All right, we'll go get some Timmy's there, bud. Going back to Canada. This is super illegal and they brought those in. Assholes. I told you guys you weren't supposed to.
Like, all right, let's do it.
Yeah, we got our Timmy's.
I didn't get Timmy's.
Yeah, you should have go get Timmy's.
After I drink this, I will be fucking bouncing off the wall.
Yeah? It's only fucking a large coffee.
Dude,
it's not like it's...
I'm a young little kid.
Alright, yeah, we're just waiting for the propane now. Alright, we're on our way to Harbor Freight. If you didn't get the hit Mustang in a million times.
Are we going to Harbor Freight?
No, we're going to Walmart. Welcome to Harbor Freight, where they should just sponsor me, you know? Sponsor me, Harbor Freight, please. This would be a great video. Just a whole gallon of Bondo. Let's go build a car with it. Or a car out of Bondo. I can't even hold this. It's so big. We got sandpaper and filler primer.
Do you want to see if we can get respirators? Let's see if they have cheap ass respirators.
Yeah, let's look. Yeah. Peace out, Harbor Freight. Sponsor me. Now we're heading back to the shop and gonna get some shit done. Okay, we got propane. We're back at the shop. Hell yeah, we got that heat blasting. Now we're gonna do a shit ton of sanding. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Woo, it's looking good.
Didn't we say that we weren't gonna do this today?
Yeah, we did say that. But look at what we're doing. We're doing it. So what's going on here? What are you doing?
I'm sanding off the fiberglass.
Yep.
To get it bare, we're gonna tape off all this.
All the
blue.
All these? Yep.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna paint all this black, right?
Yep. We're gonna paint all of this black, and then once that dries, tape all that off, and all of this.
Paint it all purple. That's gonna look so good.
I have ideas sometimes.
Yeah. You had a good idea for once. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're just taping everything off. That's what I was doing the whole time. What else do you have to do? Just sand that area, and then we'll be alright. Then we have to put the filler primer on it, and we have to wait for it to dry. So use a whole fucking can on this, honestly. We just wiped everything down, got all the dust off. He started painting this already, got the black parts, and he's gonna continue doing that as he sprays this with filler primer right now. And we just got our respirators on. Oh, you gotta shake it. What the hell? You can use your tool that Austin got you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lit. I honestly think this respirator is just for looks because it really doesn't work that good. Hopefully that helps a lot. Lay it in nice and thick and you should be alright. Especially in the areas that you need it more. Alright, I'm gonna do some editing. Mitch is gonna do another coat or two on this bitch. He's gonna paint too. You're gonna paint the, wait, what are you doing? Put another coat on?
Put another coat in the inserts, yeah.
Oh, nice, alright. Holy crap, Mitch. This is nice. Wow, I'm not seeing much. Yeah, this is a final coat.
Dude, no.
What?
Dude, don't take your respirator off.
Mitch, this is his final coat and it looks so good.
We're going over the major parts.
Yeah, the major parts. So he's just using the rest of the can up and this came out real nice, dude.
From what it was?
Yeah, I don't see anything. And this,
I'm happy with that.
this is nice.
Just for the black.
Painting all the
until
black
they can
in
lay
here.
the purple down.
Sweet.
Cause it's drying weird right now because of the heater, but
Yeah, that's alright. And it's colder right down
Yeah,
here
down
than it
here.
is. What we're gonna do is kind of like tape off everything, all the black parts, so we can paint all the purple on now.
I'm excited about
It's
that.
coming out pretty good.
I'm
So
pretty
when he finishes up this can, we're gonna go run and grab some food real fast. Come back and like, and he has to shit.
Be to breathe oxygen for
Yeah.
more than 30 seconds.
I know, right? We're gonna come back and lay the clear coat on. If
The
it,
freshly released anus.
what? Yeah, okay. We just got the last of the paint out. We're gonna get some food now. Yeah, we could just take it to go. We gotta come back anyways. Welcome to Jim's Takeout. Getting some food and you taking a shit in it.
Oh, I'm gonna
Gonna
wreck this.
blow up. I opened the door before it stopped. Gonna blow up Jim's Steakout's bathroom.
Fuck this place up.
Do you know this is actually my first time ever being here?
Are you serious?
Yes. The first time being the Jim's Steakout. First time ever. Alright, we're back at the shop. We got Jim's Steakout.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, where can we fucking sit? What's up?
All three of us should pound that out real quick.
Pound that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we can do that. So we just finished eating. We're gonna tackle this. You good? So we're gonna do this real fast. Then we're gonna do clear coat and paint this at the same time when we do
I
it.
just had
So
a taste of myself in my mouth and now it's gone.
good.
The more you go, the more you get clear coats.
yeah. And I'm on the ground and I'm trying to like do this. Yeah, and he just laid some clear coat down. You could fucking see it in the camera. All right, I just finished up taping everything off. Now he's spraying some purple paint and it's coming out real nice.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's pretty cool. Black and purple. Then we're gonna have. Oh, this looks so good, dude. Oh, he just laid a whole can of clear coat on it. Wait until he gets another can on there.
I don't know what that's going to sound like, so I got there as a backup. Just to see. Well, they're changing those CapEx.
Yo.
Exactly.
So this is all finished up with the clear coat. Austin just finished it. We're gonna be taking off the tape in a minute. And Mitch finished up the clear coat on the Kev.
Yeah, I make more than Pat.
Sorry. Look at this.
I make more than Pat.
Oh,
But Pat makes
it's so nice. So glossy and purple. And
He's either gonna get a new alignment or drive on
damn. Dude, that looks sick.
Hell yeah, it does. I'm super proud of this.
Holy shit. I already peeled a little bit of it up. That looks sick. Purple and black. Damn.
Dude,
That looks so good.
that is so good.
It's gonna look so good when it's all done. I'm gonna take it all off right now. Dude, this looks so good. It's insane.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It looks amazing.
Thank you.
Dude, it came out so good though. Holy shit.
No, this really came out.
It came
really
out
good.
so good. That looks so cool.
I told you it looked good.
It looks
you.
so good.
It looks really good.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Dude. Oh my god. Keep going. Oh.
I think it's gonna explode.
I hope it explodes.
Fuck.
It's gonna be great.
What the fuck do you come up with?
Yeah, I know. The
Oh,
fuck?
this is what I just saw and Puppy just. Oh, dude, I don't know where my fucking Arizona. My fucking blaster. The blaster.
What?
They just fucking dual end blaster at work.
Yeah.
I put 2 valve stems in like a 1-liter jug of a Arizona bottle.
Yeah.
I put valve stem on each side, put water in one end.
Oh.
Airline to the other.
Oh my god.
Dude,
That's
we-
great.
Oh my god, we used to fuck shit up.
We're gonna blow it up. This dude just filled it with alcohol.
The shop's blowing up today, guys. Oh no.
Oh my god. Get some pressure in that thing.
I'm gonna back up a little bit.
You gotta like tip it upside down so it all fucking.
Nothing. Alright, we're done.
That was so bad. Oh yeah, I didn't even record it. We got this all painted. We flipped it, painted it. We ran out of paint, so it looks like shit. We're just letting it dry, then we're gonna wrap up and go home. This is already 11 right now. I just got home. I'm gonna wrap it up here. If you guys haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All we did was just finish cleaning, and went home right away. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.